Welcome, listeners, to episode 2 of my audio blog. I'm surprised and also happy that there is someone on the other side of this recording. Thank you. So, today morning started with a Ola cab ride to Mumbai's one and only makerspace, Makers Asylum. I highly recommend this makerspace. Every day it keeps getting more organized and it keeps becoming more and more worthwhile. I met my bike building group at the start of my day. Also bumped into some existing members I had met before. Looks like I'm getting nicely settled into this space as my lab, as my invention lab for the time being. The dream is, of course, to set up my own lab on the right side of my grand dream home. So today, Argadeep is my coach for the bike building group. I also spoke to other members of the group. I think there were in all four of us. Four members are there in the build group, and Argadeep is the coach. All the members had really starry-eyed dreams, uh, which was great for me because usually there are just naysayers all around me. For once, I met other aspiring inventors, so it's good. It gave me a lot of hope and energy to pursue my my invention dreams. Everyone spoke about their project ideas. We spoke about Kickstarter campaigns in the electric vehicle space. I learned quite a bit actually, a bit of new things I learned. In electric vehicles, uh, someone spoke about when you apply the brakes, it should cut off power. So I had not thought about that before. So somehow there needs to be a controller which cuts off power when we apply the brakes. So I need to start thinking about that as well. Then I got to practice arc welding again today. I was better. I did really good as compared to my first try last week. Where last week on my first try in arc welding, my arc or the spark that comes out when you do welding, it kept getting switched off. So today I did much better. At least my arc was on for continuously for longer periods of time. Then coach gave me directions and asked me to make my welds more continuous. On my first try last week, I was hoping to learn from coach, and today he explained me clearly my mistakes, and he gave me corrections that I need to do in my welding technique. So I feel if I practice a bit more in this week, I should be able to use the arc welding skill to make some stuff. So I was getting many breaks also because we were taking turns to do the welding, and you're not supposed to look at the welding without the protective helmet. So I was getting a lot of breaks in between. So I got to play a lot of foosball. Makers Asylum has a good foosball table, so I played 3 to 4 games. Today I lost all the games, but it was damn good fun, anyways. Yeah, this is the same foosball table that is shown in the Friends episodes. I should have carried some books to read in the for the breaks so that I could do something in the in between times because there was quite a bit of in between times today. Then I reached home at 8 p.m. So after dinner I started doing my finances management because today is a Sunday and I try to do my finances every Sunday. So today I started contemplating making some long-term big spendings. So an example of a long-term big spending is a car or a home or similar stuff. So I started contemplating which of my long-term big spending goals I could now meet. But unfortunately, my current financial accounts do not allow me to spend big right now. So the grim punches of life have come up once again. I forgot to stay in my circle of influence when I was doing my finances today, as I was it was a grim feeling that I can't purchase some of the stuff that I really want right now. So I should have uh, been in the circle of influence as taught by Stephen Covey in his book Seven Habits of Effective People. I need to stay in that circle and put in the hours to exchange value with the world or the marketplace. I saw some S Ledger code, and the Haskell in S Ledger was looking a bit familiar after all the coding practice I'm doing from the last 3 to 4 weeks. So I'm really happy about that. When I started Haskell, I saw S Ledger code. I couldn't make head or tail out of it, but now it's looking a lot more familiar. So I'm looking forward to a top productive day tomorrow morning with Haskell and Mechanical Automata. I plan to complete the book Cabaret Mechanical Movement and make some of the automata mentioned in there. Today and yesterday were a bit lukewarm from the productivity perspective. Although I was kind of trying to stay afloat with productivity, but somehow today and yesterday were not that great. I mean, they were lukewarm, although they were not completely zero in terms of productivity. So let's see, guys. Tomorrow morning, I'm planning to start with Haskell and then go on to Mechanical Automata. So the Makerspace, I'm excited about Maker's Asylum Makerspace also. Today I kind of figured out how the laser cutter works. It's really simple. You just connect your computer to the laser cutter and you just select the origin and just say start and it does all the cutting. The only thing I saw was that the only minus in the laser cutter is that it's really huge. The one at the Maker's Asylum space, it's quite big. So maybe if I need to do it at home, then I need a much smaller machine, a much smaller and portable machine. But yeah, so as of now I can do it at Maker's Asylum itself. So yeah, so looking forward to tomorrow, guys. And yeah, I also got some reactions from episode 1. All the listeners who heard episode 1, thank you for the reactions, thank you for the support. Some of the members of Maker's Asylum also had heard it, so that was fun. So thank you, guys, and that's it from me. That's it from my side. Peace, take care, cheers, thank you.